Very good morning, friends. Welcoming to my channel. Nalinaksha Swami here, Smart Index Edge. I'm welcoming to my channel. So, based on the India VIX, I've calculated the levels for today. The today levels are daily high to be 24,750 and daily low to be 24,335. And weekly high to be 25,029 and weekly low to be 24,021. So these are the levels which I have calculated for the. So market created panic on Friday because it was just like an V-shaped fall. The market went like this. Let me take the tool and show it to you. Market went like this and then came back down like this. So this is V-shaped fall. This can continue downwards to the level of 24,450 to 24,000. Let me zoom it out to give you the exact levels. It can come down to 24,397. And the calculated VIX levels are 24,335. So you can see these levels in the market today probably. Either it can do like this, it can give a just, it can pop up like this around 24,578 and then it can go for selling. Or either it can gap down to this level and start trading positively. There is possibility. This becomes a strong support. Here, strong support means why the reason for the support is here. You can recall that on Wednesday, 10th July, there was a single fall and it made a low, taking all the liquidity. It has taken all the liquidity. You can see over here, and and then it rallied and it came down. Again, it came down and it started rallying. So now what it can do is, this is the box of buyers and sellers have been involved here, and the stop losses are, so let me take this. What can I do? Yeah. These are the things. Here, lot of money, stop loss money is here. So beneath this box, so they can grab this liquidity. The big players can grab this liquidity. This is static liquidity which is present over here, as well as there is dynamic liquidity also, because there is a dynamic liquidity in this area. That is, dynamic liquidity is nothing but fair value gap. So both are there around this area. Yeah, yes. So this is the exact level, 24,393, and also they can get the static liquidity beneath this box, because all the buyers who have gone long, their stop losses are lying over here, and as well as dynamic liquidity. Both the things are there. Both the liquidity are present here. And if the market gaps down to this level, around this level, 24,396 to 24,306, around this zone, there is possibility market may start reversing in this area. Reversing, it will not fall immediately as you people thought. It can go up to this and then start reversing and trade positively. So that is the thing. If it gaps down, you need to look for buying, not for selling, because it will not continuously go for selling. It may be, it may come down like this and it may start trading higher. Coming to the Bank Nifty, so be careful while taking your decisions. If it does like this, instead of falling directly, if it does like this, you can look for going short and to the level of this level. Going short to this level, that is around, let me calculate this. It can be around 277 points down. If it does like that, it will be a continuation of sell-off. Or if it gaps down, it may reverse. There are two possibilities in the market, and I've explained the reason for this. The reason for this is there is liquidity lying behind this box, and also here in this area. So market can strongly react from this area. Market can reverse from this area. That is the level of 24,357 to 24,333. So it is not going to fall immediately. If it wants to show, it will some sort of reversal you can anticipate, and then it may start going down. We do not know what it will do. But for the today's thing, you can anticipate this probability in the market. So note down the levels, 24,715 to 24,335 and weekly level. Suppose if the weakness continues, if there is any strong negative news, I don't think that sort of negative news will flow into the market before the budget. Probably it may be defined to do on the budget day, or it may reverse also. Coming to the Bank Nifty actually what it did is it didn't do anything all these days. From 4th July to here, there was no action actually. It stayed in the range. Only on 11th July, there was a dip down. From the dip down, it started trading in a range. Probably it can make a double bottom, come down to this level. These are the important levels where there is a liquidity over here. It has taken liquidity here, and it can come down to this, seek a little bit down level to 51,474 to 51,400 and 51,521 to 51,426. It may come down. But if you see the structure will not be violated, because the structure is here. It is a trendy structure. These are all the internal structures. Even if it comes down to this level, it is not a violation of the trend structure. Probably it may be a correction on this region. So it may act 51,521 to 51,426 may act as support for the Bank Nifty. And just watch out these levels, trade accordingly. Do not panic. Actually, market is needed correction. If it wants to go up, it needs correction. Otherwise, market cannot move up like that. So it needs participants from the market. Only if it gives discount in the market, the more participants will come into the market, more money will flow into the market. That is the reason for that. So until now, at present, I don't see any violation of the trend structure in the either in the Bank Nifty. You can see the market has climbed like this until this is the lowest point and it is the highest point. It has not formed a higher high. This is still an incompleted structure. Actually, it has gone like this. It has not completed. Probably a dip down, it can start its move. So it has not made an higher high. Here, these are all the minor structures in this trend. Even in the Bank Nifty also, Nifty also, the structure is intact. Structure is not violated. the trend structure is not violated because it is an elongated profile, because it has continuously run like this, it appears like this. From here, the break of the structure has taken place. It has gone step by step consolidation. So engaging the traders. So what it has done is market has created liquidity pools over here, and it is coming down to grab the liquidity pool. Okay, friends, thank you very much. Trade wisely and patiently. So it succeed will be yours. Thank you very much. Nalnakshi Swami signing off.